Introducing the RYOBI 18V 1+ HP Brushless SV9PET Stick Vacuum. The premium black aesthetic with its self-standing sleek design looks great in any home. Clean your whole home with up to 110 minutes of runtime on 2 fully charged 4-amp batteries. Because it's so lightweight and compact, you'll always be ready for life's unexpected messes. This pet vacuum features RYOBI's 1+ HP brushless motor technology, delivering impressive power and long-term suction. And the LED lights ensure no mess is missed. Experience floor-to-ceiling cleaning with the handheld feature and specialised attachments. Clean messes in your car, on stairs, and delicate surfaces with the included crevice tool and dust brush, making your cleaning routine easy and efficient. This micro tool is perfect for tight spaces. It's a game changer for cleaning skirting boards. If your pets have the run of the house, you'll love this mini motorised pet hair attachment. See? Cleaning really can be a breeze. The dual roller bar comprises a microfiber roller to collect everyday dust and debris, while the brush roll agitates carpet fibres to release even more dust and dirt for more efficient vacuuming. After vacuuming, the dual rollers are simple to remove for easier maintenance, and the cyclonic filtration system collects 99.9% of allergens. The RYOBI 18V 1+ HP Brushless SV9PET Stick Vacuum is available at Bunnings in the cleaning aisle.
RYOBI, a cut above.